Mom actually prepared like stuff in here, and she put like glue and stuff and activator to make slime, and I'm gonna be cutting it open and see if it actually works out. So, yeah. It's all full with gloves and things in it. Delilah, and if you're new here, I'm Delilah from the Smith family, and make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And if you aren't new here, well, welcome back to another activity. But today we are going to be making slime, but we're going to be my mom actually prepared like stuff in here, and she put like glue and stuff and activator to make slime, and I'm going to be cutting it open and see if it actually works out. So, yeah. It's all full with gloves and things in it. That looks funny. Okay, so I am gonna start with this one. I'm scared because if you haven't saw our balloon challenge, make sure to check that out. I was like terrified of popping them. It was funny though at the same time. So I don't think this would make a popping noise. And by the way, if you hear someone screaming, it's my brother playing Fortnite. And if you don't know what Fortnite is, it is a video game. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, I'm going to cut all the fingers open. Come on, get out. Okay. Ninja. Oh no, I just put some of the... No, I think this is glue. Yeah, this is glue. I say it's glue because how it smells. No France. But it just smells like glue. And I have a buddy here. Comment down below if you want us to do a Fortnite video with my brother Michael. Oh my gosh, it's so slimy already. Gooey. Okay, next one. So yeah, that's glue. I'm going to be putting in this one. So that feels good and it sounds weird, but okay. I want to get this in again. Is that coming out? They cut more. Oh, they're beads. And eyeballs, I think. Yeah, they're eyeballs in there. It's so creepy. The eyeball just fell out. Oh, they're all facing directions. I don't know if you can see that, but for example, that one. Get out. And won't get out. So, yeah. I just keep... Okay, I accidentally put this in. We'll just put that off. This is so hard to get out because I have like so gluey hands because of this. So yes. Okay, I'm just gonna put that in for now because I can't get the rest out. Maybe at the end I'll try to. Alright, so now, next one. I'm going to be adding this. Oh, this feels cool. It's so weird. What is this? Guys, you can mostly see these fingers. So I'm going to cut open these and show them. Oh, it's glitter. That's so cool. Go ahead and cut this finger. Satisfying moment. Oh, that's cool. I like the glitter. Glitter is my favorite part. Comment down below if it is yours too. This is so cool. I got finger in there. Well, glitter. Oh, that's actually really pretty. We're doing Halloween version of this, I think, so far. This is so fun. Oh no, my hands are glittery. So that's glitter. next one, I'm gonna be doing this. Actually, it looks like a real hand. It's like, ah! Okay, I'm gonna be doing this one. Oh, I think, yeah, that might actually be more glue. Yeah, that might be more glue. I think that's glue. Glue. I think it is. Yeah, it's glue. This glue all smells the same. Very awkward, but okay. My hand. Oh no. My hands are so messy from this. This is what happens when I try to do a challenge, any kind of challenge. Bob's not eating messy things sometimes, and this is what happens. Okay, so yeah, that's glue, and now we're moving on to the next one. Oh, I think that's activator. Oh no, I think we're adding too much. Oh, I found a bowl. I need this bowl. Oh, that's a lot, I think. Oh, I'm just gonna keep mixing. It might be a little too much, but maybe it's not actually. Oh no. Oh, this is nasty feeling. But then at the end, it's like the best feeling ever. It's like so weird. It's like not mixing so all the tide is in there. Oh, I think we're having way too much of that. Oh no. I think we gotta mix. Because one time me and my best friend Riley were making like big batches of slime. It become all gooey. And then after we would like do this and like mix it all together with our hands, it like turn out so good. It's like so weird. It's so nasty, but then at the end you're like, yes. I think we're gonna have to add glue, so I'm probably gonna go get the glue. Okay. Okay, I have got the glue. Now I'm just gonna pour more in. Off one, I'm pointing it everywhere. I am the one that wants. So, oh no. It's like adding too much, adding too less. It's like, what is going on? I don't think you guys can see. Oh, my friend, my buddy. I'm mixing. Oh no, this is all slimy. Now the thing to this, like those little stick. I don't know. I can't explain things. I'm disgusted. This feels so disgusting. This is such a big mess right now. But I have watched some videos that haven't became a big mess. But yeah, I am a big mess doing this. I always am. So now I'm just going to keep fixing this slime. So yes. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button because I am being all messy for you guys. I'll have to clean up after this. It's going to be the hard part. Yeah, we're going to need more glue at the end. It's like overactivated. It's not that bad for what it was. But it's turning out actually really good. Maybe we just need more of this. Cool stuff in here. Oh no. Wait. Okay, I have kind of fixed my slime and like cleared it off the table so we can play with it. So I'm gonna take it out of the bowl and start playing with it. And there's glue all over it from the bottom. So I added a little bit more. Yeah, we just worked it out. Okay. So, let's go. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you fun and satisfying moments. Alright, but I want to show you this. So I was just rolling around the slime and look, it's so satisfying. Look, it just sinks right back down. I don't know why that's so cool. Like, there's so much cool beads in here. I don't think you can see the eyeballs, but I want to find one for you. There's like eyeballs, like different sizes. Help me, there's a lot of beads, that's why. Here, like right here. Wait, let me clear it off. I don't know. Here, you guys gotta see this. There's some red. Okay, here, look at the eyeball. It's so cool. Oh, look at this, look at this. It's a little bubble forming. Wait, I wanna do this. Oh no, the eyeball. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a slime bubble, the best part of the game. And we'll make a swirl probably. We try 1,000 times with this. It feels like I'll be just like her. Okay. So now I'm gonna make another one. my god, they're flickering everywhere. They just almost hit the camera and everything. Looks nice. Okay, let's just stop doing the slime bubbles because they are flinging everywhere. Okay, well, let's make a huge one. I want to make a huge one. This is so fun. I should actually just take a piece for the bubble. Oh, this is satisfying. I want to click it. I never clicked the big one. Satisfying moment. And then now we do the slime bubble. Oh, that's how you do it. You click first and then you do the slime bubble. So this is my slime, guys. I hope you like it. And I hope you like my Halloween slime. Make sure to comment down below, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye. We'll see you next time, Smith fan. That's so funny. No, I am. It's so funny. No, I'm gonna keep saying it. There's still one on his hat. Wait, stop fucking your head on me. Oh, he's making me smear it. Such a bad boy. There's literally, I think that's from the balloon popping one. I think it popped on him. Well, then it would dry, and it's kind of like, okay.